Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So today we would be completing where we left off in Python. Just let me start the Jupyter notebook. Then let's go to inventory, users, then this. Is that over here? Let's go to the one. Okay. Let's adjust the screen. Okay. Okay, so now data structures and sequences. Now here we are going to check inbuilt data structures that are available in Python. So Python data structure is simple but powerful. Mastering their use is a critical part of becoming a proficient Python programmer. The tuple is a fixed length, immutable sequence of Python objects. The easiest way to create one is with a comma separated sequence of values. So if I do top 4, 5, 7, 6, when you define this will become a tuple. So let's just I'm going to print it and set continue. 4, 5, 6. When you are defining tuples in more complicated expressions, it is often necessary to enclose the values in parentheses. However, it is always so do this like 1.516. Then I do tuple. Four, 5, 6. So then I can have nested tuples. Okay, for example, I'm having a nested tuple. So this is a tuple inside a tuple. So like this one, and then comma, another one, and then close bracket. So 7, 8, 9. Okay. You can convert any sequence or iterator to a tuple by invoking tuple. So anything can be, so this is basically typecasting. If I want to do typecasting, so just mention to some, suppose if I want to cast something to a tuple, so I can go so I have a string, right? So dot tuple to is equal to tuple, and then tuple is not callable. What is any tuple object is not callable? Why is this so? This is I'm going to convert it. But in Python, double quotes also represents string, right? Name. Oh, these two are similar, right? But then this is created as a new notebook, right? Tuple won't exist over here. If I do tuple, yeah. Does it consider the same thing? this is same do one go on. Now I can do maybe I don't have to find. And then I pass in a string. You can convert any sequencer iterator by invoking tuple. So why is this not right? Tuple object is not callable. Let's check the logs. Or instead of using docs, I'll use open here even stack over object. Let's check stack over. Is something related to this tuple to not callable. Is this Python? Yeah, this is Python 3. Why is this not working? Is this Python 2 or something that I'm running? No, it's Python 3. And why is it working here and not? So in this notebook, why is it working? I found the list. Oh, this is not getting saved. Tuple is not callable. I don't know why I'm getting that error. The elements can be accessed with square brackets as with most other sequence types. And in C++, so we can access the elements using so I can say tuple go and have a square bracket indexing basically. Okay. While the objects are stored in a tuple may be mutable themselves, the tuple is created. It's not possible to modify the slot. So if I have an object inside, so I'm saying tuple cannot be modified. Okay. Now you can concatenate tuples. Concatenation is possible. So like if I have a tuple one here has the concatenation is possible. So I'm going to tuple 2 plus tuple. Again, tuple cannot be modified because these are integers, right? So this needs to be so simple. If suppose if oh no, yeah, suppose it is now if I do not modify. Object inside a table can be done. So I'm adding here two tuples. Tuple 1, tuple 2. Tuple cannot be modified. Name tuple 1 is not. Oh, it's. Oh, I didn't execute this. No, it's okay. I see. Okay. Now, if I try to append something, which will give me an error. Like if I tuple 1 dot append, suppose I try to append this. Tuples cannot be. It does not have any attribute append. And then object inside can be updated. Now what if I try to update this value? For example, tuple 0. Okay, so yeah, so what if I try to update say tuple 1 of 1 this time. Tuple does not support item assignment. Okay. Now multiplying a tuple by an integer as with list has the effect of concatenating. Yeah, it will be concatenated with the same. So if I do tuple 1 times 2, so I think it's copied. You get the same tuple twice. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that the objects themselves are not copied, only the references to them. Okay. Now if you try to assign a tuple to a tuple like expression of variables, Python will attempt to unpack the values on the right hand side of the equal sign. For example, if I have okay, so this if I try to do something like a comma b comma c, then if I assign this to equal to too many values to unpack, then a b c oh equal to is equal to equal and then do a b c. Only the last statement comes here, right? X. So C is 4, and then it only brings the last statement. Now every even sequences with nested tuples can be added back. So for example, if I have this is a nested tuple, say it's the nested tuple. Now what? So then I need to mention this as well as a nested element. This like this one, and say this is C comma D. Tuples one cannot unpack int. This is 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, come. Yeah. Cannot unpack non-iterable int object. Why so? This is the same thing as writing like this, right? 4, 5, 6, 7. Ten, 20. Type error in line 1. So this is a mistake. Yeah, it should work. So if I go no, it worked. So what was the difference there when I had numbers 4, comma 6, then it was a comma 10 and 20. And go to the next one. Press 7, too many values to unpack. Oh yeah, I need. Oh yeah, this is this and this. Okay. Now in Python you can swap. Swap can, since you can assign it, so you can swap like. So just instead of using that temp, yeah, you can directly swap it here as. Yeah, that kind of becomes like a one-line statement. The one common use of variable unpacking is iterating over sequences of tuples or list. Okay. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 first. What is saying is 4. But then all of them have nested, right? That is a list, yes. G sequence. What if I have given some say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then for A, B, C, A, B, C, secant, and then okay, and B, and then C. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Now the another common use is in returning multiple values from a function. We'll cover this in more detail. Python recently acquired some advanced tuple unpacking to help with situations where they want to pluck a few more elements from the beginning of a tuple. This use case uses special syntax. Also, the problem here is we need to specify exact number of variables here, right? Instead of doing that, this should be exactly same as the tuple, right? Instead of doing this, what we do is we can do a comma and then do rest. Let's have something else. Or a comma b comma, and then just do tuple one, and then do print. Okay. So everything is Python is an object, right? And then for the time being, let's so for 5 and 10. The rest has C and D. The rest which is sometimes you want to discard. Also, what if you want to lose the values? So the remaining values will be stored in rest. Values will be in rest. Okay. That means if I do print rest, print out the remaining. And 20. So this rest bit is sometimes something you want to discard. There is nothing special about the rest name. Yeah, so instead of using rest, we can use an underscore. Underscore is a redundant method. Now this since the size and content of a table cannot be modified, it is very light on instance method. A particular also useful one. The only thing is tuples can be modified. Okay, this is the size and the contents of a table cannot be modified. Very light on instance methods. A particular useful one also available on list is in discount. And there is some method that tuple has. So then just count if there is anything. Then next comes this list. The list is basically a variable length and their contents can be modified in place. You can define them using this. First is this can be variable length and then content can be modified. Use square brackets. Then I say list is equal to 3 else. Then just print list. List. Yeah, sir. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, we can modify it, right? So how to modify it? So I can say list of seconds is 0. Make this as 1, 1, 0, and then do list of 0. Again, 0 index. I can be right now we are not dealing with negative indexing. Negative indexing and pass 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, list and tuples are semantically similar. Other tables cannot be modified. They can be used interchangeably. List functions is frequently used in data processing in a way to utilize iterator or generator expressions. Generate range 10. The adding and removing elements, so we can do list dot. So we have certain inbuilt methods to add list. Add last can be done by append. So I can do list dot dot see. There are so many I can do append. Then I do 27 list. Now list will have increase size at the end. Okay. Now what if you want to insert an element at a specific location? Actually, you can insert an element at a specific location. Now this is at end only, right? But if you want to go to a specific location, then we use insert. But this is costly, as all others have to be changed. Command list. But now we are going to do append. We are going to insert. But insert. Insert. So now then we need to make it with position and what. See, first I inserted them. The inverse operation to insert is pop. Removing this. Removing from last. This is much like when you have an stack. Oh, so stack is no. This is first and last out, right? This will be removing at the end. We can do at a particular index as well. Can we do push? Does this have push? It says pop. It doesn't have push. It's not exactly a stack. Oh, this doesn't. So if we do PO, no, it is PO. There you can remove address elements from a specific. remove from specific location is possible. So the pop, this is pop one. So pop one. Ten should be gone. Twice 10. I have pop. So I'm going to pop off one. What is one? So I'm inserting that 0. Is 0. Position. 10 should be gone. Yeah. Okay, if the performance is not a concern and using append and remove, you can use Python list as a perfectly suitable multi-set. Again, there is some performance. Now the keyword check if a list contains a value. So to check I use invite. Yeah. Use in. Then I say this one give boolean, right? Is 10 in list. And then extend. Checking, concatenating, and combining. Singular doubles, adding to list. Okay. So this will list concatenation. Okay. And combining list. Yeah, that's it. Now extend. Now extend is x dot extend. So concatenation versus extend. What's the difference? The list concatenation is done by addition. Is a comparatively expensive operation, so the new list must be created. Using extend to append is usually preferred. Okay, so so your new list is getting created. Create a new list. Yeah. Extend works in the same list. The binary search and maintaining the sorted. You can do binary slicing. You can select sections of a sequence types by using slice notation, which is basically in the form of question mark and slice it. So this is from starting index to what? Slices can be also assigned to this is what the starting index and this is this 0, so I create 1, take auto slice 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is 1 included? Okay, this last minus 1, I guess. So if it's 3 to 4, it will only be 0, 1, 2, 3. Start stop. This is the basic form, right? Starting from 1, 2, 3, 4. And why is 3 getting in? Yeah. While the element at the start is included, the stop index is not included, so the number of elements in the result is stop minus start. This is 6 and 3. Oh, he's performing on this as only, but there is no 3 over here. So I go from 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. This is a mistake, I guess. Slice can also be assigned with a sequence. Also here is doing assigning it to a sequence. So 3 to 4 slice will be 6, 3. So when I do this, the third and fourth element of this will be changed to 6 and 3. Okay. That's the we take a part out. Then I come here list and then no. Slicing it will be basically cutting apart. Single list 1 into oh. Okay, this is so this is not colon stop. Stop is not loaded. So start list 1 colon 2. Yeah, see, so this is 0 and 1. 1 only. You can assign it as well. Okay. Now either the start or the stop can be omitted, which causes the default to start or the sequence. You can also do this list. This is from start to end. Take a slice. So this is the entire thing, right? And we turn into what's the slice? What's list? What's the list therefore? Let's print list once. List. Yeah, so I'm taking start 0, 1 and this is not included. Slicing semantics takes a bit of getting into, especially if you're coming from R and MATLAB. Also, now this can be it's in negative. Indexing is also possible than list. So when I say minus this is minus 5, it's minus 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Minus 3, minus 2. Oh, how is negative indexing done? Assuming the last element is so it is minus 1, minus 2. End of list. Is number than minus 1. Okay, so and then I can have step size as well. By default, is one. We can change as built-in sequence functions. The Python has a handful of useful sequence functions that you should familiarize yourself with. Use at any time. So Enumerate. Now it's common when iterating over a sequence. To keep a track of the index of the current item and do it as a record for like for a given. So I now enumerate. So enumerate will give me index as well as value. What's the meaning of enumerate? Enumerate. Enums. So I'm going to list things one by one. Yeah. So enumerate means list all things one by one. I'm going to enumerate. Which is okay. So we're going to get to knowledge, right? This should be a collection. So yeah. So I have 1, 2, 2. This is going to bring index as well as value. Now when you are indexing data, a helpful pattern that uses enumerate is computing mapping values of a sequence. The sorted will do a sorting. As it pairs up the elements. I guess this sorting is linear sorting. I don't know, it doesn't mean to bubble sort. Let me check Python docs. Python docs. Also, there is Python docs as well. Python docs. Let's check Python docs. Application documentation. Sort. Let's not sort. Let's sort built-in types. I don't know whether this does what type of sorting. I'm not sure. Does it mention binary sorting or something? And does it mention the algorithm being used? I doubt. I don't know what type of sorting it is. Zip bears up the elements of a number of lists. Now zipping. Zipping means when you zip a file, you basically compress. When you do a zip, so what's the literal meaning of zip? 7 meanings. Putting it to pairing. What's in zipper? Oh, so it's okay. So let's see. So he's saying about the zipper. Zipper by you mean the jacket. Okay. Yeah, here is referring to a zipped sequence, basically something which has been zipped using like in zipper we lock it, right? Or it's locked. We have a chain and like it's locked, right? The chain and the key. On similar lines, he's saying that this is a zipper as well. That's what he's trying to say when he says it's been zipped. Are there any other methods? Oh, this is the last, right? Okay, so zip is something. Zip is basically locking the chain, something like that, I guess. How you have zip, right? It gets locked in the teeth and the mesh. It's called teeth and mesh. I can say zipped. This is zipped. Zipped. Okay. Now, okay. So I'm going to. What it will do is it can take arbitrary sequence and then so it pairs up the elements of a number of lists, tuples or other sequence, but there is no algorithm that it uses to pair or it's anyhow. Or this family goes with this, bar bit goes with 2. Is the pairing random? Anyhow. The pairing itself is not random. Elements are pairing the okay. So first will go with first, second go with second, third go with third. That's cool. So I have 2 seconds right. Which will copy, but then I'll put it here at night. Let's click. the sequence one, then just copy this thing and then the sequence, and then this is photo, that one, and then we do zip up, but zip up sequence. And sequence 2. So a zip object is created, but we need to assign it to something, right? Which will zipper equal to zip. Zipper. First time I need it save. No, I can. Or zip, but where's the return? It does not return anything. Right, this is not getting saved, I guess. Equal to print of zipper. Why is it not running this book? Zip object. Voila. I know it's a zip object. I have 2 sequences. I don't know why this happens. If I go to collab and do collab. Yeah. Is it mandatory? It's just this cancel. I'm logged in the account. Where is the login into the go to collab, go to code. Let's not see this, let's not this. Is it zipping and producing? Related to button, see, it's giving an object, it's not printing. What was here it was? Oh, so now this is an. So what is the return value? It does not return. What does zip return? It returns a zip object. So now I need to give this a reference, right? So just convert this into our list or something. We can do it to a tuple as well. Type where a list object is not callable on this. List tuple. So this is always converted to a tuple. Don't worry. Typecast zip. Why can't it directly be accessed? So the return value is a lazy object. Well, this is return value is a lazy object, which is an iterator. This one does have an iterator, right? It's Yeah, it doesn't page number. Again in 74 we will be there is an iterator module and generator as well, right? WebEx. There is. Now what is this iterator? We will see next. Like not now. Reverse, so I can reverse this. Again, this has to be typecasted because it's a generator. So terms of living object or I can write same for reverse, it is what we say our generator. That's all for this session. See you in the next one, guys. Bye. Take care.